So, I wanna quickly address this question because maraming nagtatanong din sa akin online if kailangan daw ba ng savings for your digital nomad visa application in Spain. Hola! It's your VA ate in Spain, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about savings and when ba siya nagmamatter. So, no matter if UHE application or consulate man yan, they're not really gonna demand you, or it's not a must to show proof of savings. All they want to see is that yung healthy amount na pumapasok dun sa bank transactions mo or dun sa payroll bank mo, kung saan dapat yung COE mo and contract mo, yung invoices, payslips mo, is magmamatch dun sa pumapasok na pera dun sa bank mo. And of course, ito nagmamatter lang if family kayo. Kasi if may dependent ka, you have to also, of course, show na kaya mo to provide for them. You can book the tickets, you can rent a comfortable place to live here in Spain, and you'll be able to have a little bit of overhead cost for the move. So, kaya minsan with clients, especially if may dependent sila, I ask if may savings ba sila. Hindi naman kailangan na substantial amount, but enough for the flight tickets, for your accommodation here, for your long-term, down payment for your apartment, ganyan. But not necessarily na kailangan ng savings. So, that's just something because I know it kind of feels like a Schengen visa application, but it's not really. What they really want to verify is that you're making an amount na pasok sa minimum income requirement kung ilan man kayo. And of course, to show na stable itong pinagkukunan mo ng income. Ayun, hope that helps, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this answers your question. Thank you so much, and ciao!